Hello everyone, this is Mrityunjay Mishra, and today we are going to have a conversation with a startup whose idea is awesome and something which is to do with online platform for people who are actually willing to share their feelings, but they don't get any platform where they actually want to share anonymously. So let's welcome Mr. Ankit Arte, who is the founder of Share a Feeling. Hi Ankit, कैसे हैं?
Hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing excellent. Ankit, we are going to have lots of conversation around Share a Feeling platform. Let's
Sure.
start with talking about something about you, your educational journey, and a little bit about startup, and then we'll get into it.
Yeah, sure. Um, so I'm a software developer by profession.
Mhm.
I've been working in this industry for about 10, more than 10 years now, about 11 years.
Okay.
I work with like some of the biggest companies
Mhm.
in USA like CVS, JP Morgan, Bank of America.
Okay.
Uh, but I always like wanted to start something of my own.
Mhm.
I always wanted to be entrepreneur, and I always wanted to start my own business.
Mhm.
So before creating the Share of Feeling, I actually worked on two small startups.
Mhm.
Um, one was um, one was creating like mobile games for Android and iOS,
Mhm.
and another one was like a travel agency kind of
Okay.
concept.
Mhm.
Unfortunately, they both didn't work out that well.
Mhm.
So this is my third company, basically my third startup I'm working on.
Mhm. Okay. So when I was reading about you, you are currently into US, right? And
Yep.
you were working there and this. So how this idea came in your mind? It was like sudden or some incident happened and then you felt like bringing this thought.
Um, yeah, actually, some incidents happened.
Mm-hmm.
So the way I thought about this idea was when I was actually going through some rough time, I had to like go to do some counseling, go to some counselors.
Correct.
And when I was talking to those counselors, basically, I figured out that it's not just me, but there are like many people in this world
Correct.
uh, who undergo problems like
Mm.
the problems can be of any kind, like relationship problems or
Mm.
problems in family or problems at home, work, like anything.
Mm.
But the worst thing is like there's these people, right? They cannot share their problems with anyone because
Mm.
uh, we live in a very judgmental society.
Very true.
People judge us very quickly. Like,
Correct.
let's say if I'm having some family problems, right? I go and tell like a friend or someone.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Instead of helping, like he can easily judge us, like, oh, this guy is having this problem,
Very
and
true.
might be like he can tell it to his friends,
Mm.
and and might be like might be he will like talk ill about you, like in
Okay.
front of like another 10 people. So so this is the problem that like our society has,
Mm.
um and like we cannot like get out of, like if we are having like some anxiety or depression or anything,
Mm-hmm.
this is the main reason that people are not able to get out of
Correct.
depression.
Mm.
And that actually uh, gave me this idea of creating this Share a Feeling platform. Because when I was talking to some of the counselors
Mm-hmm.
that I had to go, first of all, like counseling is a very expensive business.
It is.
Um, yeah, many people like cannot even afford to go to counselors.
Yes.
They charge like 2,000 3,000 rupees like per
Mm.
session, and it goes like crazy expensive.
Right.
Um, so I wanted to do something which is like free or like at least close to free.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I was discussing this idea with some of the counselors. Like now they are my friends. I
Mm-hmm.
was talking to them and then lots of discussion, lots of talks
Mm-hmm.
were going on, and finally we had this idea of creating this platform, this website.
You know what? When I heard first time share a feeling, I didn't got like, connected to what it is. But the moment I went to your website, it was like, Wallah, kamal ki cheez hai. Because everyone, including even
Thank
me,
you.
I was like, यार मजेदार है, मतलब कुछ भी share कर सकते हैं, that too anonymously. You need not to
Yeah, that's
share
true.
who you are. So you can talk to so many people. You can they get their counseling suggestions free of cost, and so much more to do with. Right? That's awesome.
Yes, definitely. That's actually the main concept, because um, 90% of the time this happens that we get betrayed by the people whom we trust the most,
True.
but we always get help from the people who are unknown to us, because those unknown people might have walked into the same shoes as we have, so they might be able to give us some advice, which is like really helpful.
True.
So that was the main concept behind starting this website. Like, and you can like register anonymously. Like, you don't have to put your real name. You can like put any display name you want. And we never share your email address with anyone. Even in our database, the email address is encrypted, so it is difficult to figure out who you are. So you don't have to reveal your identity. You can just say anything you want without anyone letting know that who you are, basically.
Correct. And the best thing is that when you are happy, when there is an anxiety, you tend to share your name also. But when you are depressed, when you are into frustration, when you have some problems, you really don't feel like telling who you are, because people will start judging, like you rightly said. So this platform
that's
is
exactly
actually,
correct.
because last 3-4 days, every day I went to your website and every day I read, conversations from different people, and it was awesome because people coming forward, helping each other. That's awesome. Okay.
Yep.
So talking about this journey of your startup, I'm sure you have shared this thought, like you said, counselor, maybe some friends, family. What challenges you faced while you started, and what challenges you are facing now?
Yes. So there were lots of challenges. Like every startup has to go through many challenges. So one of the main challenges I faced, like while I was creating this website, was how do I get people to help others? Like, how do I get people to advise correctly, like to the problems of other people? Because quantity of people having problems is much more than quantity of people who are ready to help.
True.
Yeah. So how do I get this balance? So I knew some counselors. As I said, like I had to visit some counselors, so I knew some counselors. So I talked with them, and they were ready to help me free of charge. So I'm actually thankful to them. So they helped me a lot. They actually registered on our site, and they helped many users to for the problems. And the second thing I did was I kind of created this into like a social media platform, like not exactly, but you can like users can chat and message each other.
And
they can, because they don't have to
individually.
Yeah, they can individually. Yeah, they can individually chat with other users, or they can also individually chat with the counselors.
Correct.
So this also helps the counselors to get more business.
Yes.
Because let's say some counselor talks with a person who is in deep problem and really needs something. So it's basically like a two-way street.
True.
And so this was the main challenge that I faced. The challenge which I am facing right now is how to like make this website like really like global. Like I mean to say, like this is like a global website right now, but people are like really comfortable in sharing their problems in their local language.
Yes.
So let's say someone is from Gujarat, then he will be able to clearly explain his problems in Gujarati. Let's say someone is from Russia, then he would be comfortable speaking in a Russian language. And right now, we only support English. We do not have that platform to support like all the languages or all the mother tongues. So that is a real challenge that I'm facing right now. There are some ideas and some plans to work around it. But basically, like, because this startup has just started like 4 months back, so it's still new. There is lots of things to do, and this is like one of the main things, like how to like really like make the website from global to local.
Correct. That's awesome. Yeah. Acha, while this 4 months or before, also like, when the idea came, what kind of support you got from your family? I mean, normally kya hota hai, family always say ki yaar job mat chodo, don't get into business. This thought always comes.
That's true.
So what kind of support or difficulties you face convincing family?
Yeah. So, so before starting this website, right, when I was working on like some of the mobile games I was building, that time parents were like, अरे क्यों इतना time waste कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा अच्छा job चल रहा है 9 to 6, like keep on working on that job. Why do you want to leave the job and get into something which is not going to get you money, or for few years you might not make money or something like that. How will you pay your EMIs and everything? So it gets into a big discussion. So this time what I did was I started working on this website before quitting the job. So I started doing this like on weekends and basically in the evening. And then once I got to know that, okay, now I'm getting a good user, I'm at least getting like 100 to 200 users every day. Right. Then I thought that, okay, now this is a good time to tell parents that, yeah, now I'm creating this new company. And now I'm not going to, I don't want to work anymore. I'm going to create something of my own. And right now, because it's new, I'm just making, I have some advertisements, like Google advertisements on the website. So the first month when I basically got the check, I showed it to my mother, my parents. Then my dad was like, "Acha ja beta, chal continue kar."
Jile apni zindagi.
Yeah, jile apni zindagi. Yeah. Because the parents, they're like very conservative. So they don't understand this concept of like doing their own business or own startup and everything. They are more like, oh, how much are you going to earn? Like, तुम तुम्हारा घर का EMI कैसे भरोगे ये, and like all this stuff. So that's their way of thinking.
That's pretty common, That's very common. Acha, do you have any plans of raising funds? Because like you said, like, you want to take it from global to local, and to have such kind of massive reach, funding will be needed. So currently, though, I'm sure you have your own fundings, backup.
Yep.
But any plans to raise funds for this website?
Yes, actually, right now it's completely self-funded. I put my own money into this. So as we are growing, this is actually like mostly like a virtual company. So we will be hiring like some part-time employees, especially for development purposes, for maintenance purposes, some of the customer service. So we'll be hiring some part-time employees. Also, we are going to hire some developers because we have lots of plans and lots of ideas we have to put forward. So if my personal funding runs out, like definitely I will be approaching some funding companies, some angel funding to get a proposal, like basically to give a proposal and get some funding. But it's a virtual company, so no like office location or no real estate is required.
Yes.
As of now.
Achha, so where you see your company, because now it is like 4-5 months old, where you see this website in next 2-3 years of time?
Yeah, so until now we have got good response. I'm quite happy with that because I never thought like within like a 3 months of time I would get like more than 5,000 users. Uh, uh, but it's just a startup right now. There are lots of things, lots of ideas, uh, lots of features that we want to build. The first feature that we want to build is basically like one-to-one counseling, like a personal counseling, which is going to be uh, not exactly free, but very close to free, like a freemium service. But yeah, so this is what we want to create in the coming next month. And apart from that, we have ideas such as like creating groups, creating communities, where people can live chat, like video chat with other members in the same community. So lots of such things are planned. We'll be like slowly developing and implementing all these features like one after another. Yeah.
बढ़िया. अच्छा, any plans to bring any app like I was aware about apps like Hello, Tinder, where you can make friends. And when I was reading about your company and reading those inputs from different users, their contents, I felt like maybe going forward this can be an awesome platform where people can make friends. So is there any
Yes.
plan?
Yeah. So right now we have implemented like a chat application,
Yes.
like a message application where users can like chat with each other. But this is right now only on a web browser. So we have plans of creating like an Android and iOS app, so that like users can download it. They can talk directly through the app. They can also get like counseling, and like if they want to connect to a counselor, they can do it through the app.
That's right.
So that's one of the things we want to build in the near future. Apart from that, we are also planning to grow this into like kind of like a motivational website.
Yes.
Because we have got lots of feedback from the counselors that like we want to help, we want to like motivate other people, like how to come out of the problems, how to get away from depression, etc. So lots of this motivational things are going to be added in the coming next month.
Achha, one thing coming in my mind since we started this conversation, the moment you said like this is a startup, I always have felt the same thing that one might not work. So you always have to look after options which are available, because out of 10 one will work, and success doesn't come easy. Like this is your third one.
That's true.
And this has to be successful because the idea behind this is really awesome. So I want to understand like what is your definition to success, how you treat success and failure, and how you feel like okay kab success ho jayega ye, at what stage?
सक्सेस का ऐसा स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेशन तो नहीं है. देयर इज नो लाइक स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ सक्सेस. Any startup or any business, like they should always keep on growing. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि चलो I got 1 million users, okay, that's my success. I made 1 lakh rupees a month, चलो that's my success. You should always keep on growing. You should always be hungry. Like okay, मेरा website अभी इतना अच्छा चल रहा है. I have 50,000, 1 lakh, 1 million users. But how do I increase that? How do I what more ideas can I implement? What more ideas can I get? So keep on inventing, keep on thinking of new things, new ideas कि कैसे हम लोगों की जिंदगी और बेहतर बना सकते हैं. What can you do to make people's life more happier, more easier, and convert those into ideas and implement them.
So basically it's like keep improving and you are successful.
Yeah, keep improving on yourself, because मैंने जब ये वेबसाइट स्टार्ट की, like when I started this website, like I am a developer, like I have no experience in designing, like Photoshop or images, like designing. I had like no idea. So I learned designing. I learned Photoshop. I created this whole design by myself, this whole website design. So I improved little bit. So
I
improving.
lost you. Yeah. But yeah. Now we are there. Okay. So I must say the whole conversation was awesome, and I'm sure people are going to love this. People are going to come forward. The major thing what we have to target is reach
Thank
people,
you.
because once people are aware about it, I'm sure they will not leave you. I mean the platform. First thing is like awareness. Okay. Now one question
Yes,
coming
thank
in
you.
my mind on a very lighter note. Do you also read your users' content?
Yes, I sometimes do read my users' content. I don't know who the users are
True.
because I have no way of like tracking them, or I don't have their email address on it. But I do read them because there might be like some users who are giving like bad words, or who can be writing some unappropriate things. So we sometimes have to flag, like basically like flag them or put them as inappropriate. So yeah, we do read most of our users
Right.
stories basically.
Yes, because normally what I felt while I was reading, even if you're not part of the a chat, or if you're not putting your story upfront, still you can be a user. You can be a visitor where you can just go through others' content, and probably that also will make you
Yes,
feel comfortable, because okay, in case ये problem थी and this is solution somebody is giving. So even without telling, also you are a user sometime, a virtual user.
yes, that's correct. Yes, actually we had lots of use people sending us like emails that we actually got like good advice,
Yes.
um, like some of the counselors or some of the other users like gave us good solutions, good advices to our problems, and they were like really happy to use this platform, like to basically express their problems.
Correct.
Because what happens, like if people don't have like, because there is like, we always have lot of things to tell, but we don't have that person
To hear.
to whom we should tell these problems to hear basically. So that's why this platform was created, and so far so good. It's going.
Yeah.
Hopefully, in the next few months, it will grow bigger and we'll get more
I'm very
users.
sure it will go bigger, and I'm very confident that I'm also going to be part of this. Obviously, nobody will know who I am. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Correct. So, lots of congratulations for what you have brought in, and all the very best for all your future endeavors, because I'm sure that this is going to go a very long way. All the very best, and thanks for
Thank
being
you.
here with Taja Tadka. Thank you, Ankit.
Yeah, no, thank you, Tatu Tarka. Like it is really my pleasure. This is actually a good idea of having like a video interviews, and thank you for inviting me to your show.
Thank you. Thank you.